guys, it's Marie with WTI Bubble Time. Seriously though, bubbles are awesome. My daughter loves them. This bottle makes it so easy for those little hands to squeeze. My daughter likes to add a lot of bubbles. Then she can play with them, splash with them, shape them, make things out of them. And the more you squeeze out, the higher the bubbles are going to be. And like I said, for my daughter, the more, the better. Just look at how thick these bubbles come out to be. And if you're a hardworking mama, at the end of the day, a bubble bath is definitely needed and appreciated. So if you love bubbles or your kids love bubbles, I would definitely recommend this product. It smells so delicious. It makes a lot of bubbles or a little bit depending on what you like. And it just really works well. It's soothing, it's fun, and I love it. And that's my point of view.